Okay, welcome to you, my beloved learners, to this wonderful platform, the class of mathematics. Yes, this is the question that you are able to see on the chalkboard, and this question is under vectors. Remember, it also carries 2 marks in paper 1, and it was also driven from Maths paper 1, 2023 SC. SC simply means school certificate. That is internal, not GCE, but internal. Okay, so now let us pay a particular attention and see how we can actually find vectors in paper 1. Solution. Okay, so the question says, given that OP, we have the direction arrow there, equals 4, 4, 13, and the point Q is open bracket 16,8 close bracket. Find the magnitude of PQ. 2 marks. Find the magnitude of PQ. So now, how do we find the magnitude? But before we come to that, I want you to know that in vectors, actually, vectors has got size and direction. No wonder why we see these arrows, pointing arrows, showing that the direction was this side. So from O to P. So this particular person, be it a person or anything, it was moving from here to there. Okay, that is the one which makes it to be different from other quantities. Vectors has got both direction and size or magnitude. Yes. So now, since we are given this one, where we are saying OP is this one and the point Q is this, find the magnitude of PQ. So now, before we come to magnitude, what we are supposed to know here is the vector PQ. How? So we are going to say PQ equals the way this particular person was moving, or a particle, anything, as I said earlier, it was moving from P to Q. Now remember, this is a position vector. So it means it started from an origin, okay? The origin. So we are going to say PO, that's how it moves. PO plus, this is O. PO plus OQ. So for it to reach from P to Q, it moves like this. PO to OQ. Now remember, when we are dealing with vectors and you are moving against the direction, for example, you are coming from this side, okay? You have seen the arrow where it is pointing. Now you are coming from there against the direction. It means the magnitude that you are going to have will have a what? A negative. Why? Because you are going against the direction. So the size, the length that you are going to have will have a what? A negative. So if you can look at this one, PO, it means this moved in an opposite what? Direction. So what we are going to do here is, because always you should start at 0 or origin. So we are going to say, because we are going to swap this now, whereby you start from 0. So it will be O, P, then we have to put a negative, okay, plus O, Q. This is negative OP plus OQ. Let's hope you've understood there. You have gotten the concept which is there. Then, having done this now, you are going now, remember in mathematics, positive is very, very important. So we always respect it. So in writing numbers, actually, we always put positive first. So we are going to swap this. This Q will come here, or Q, because this is positive. Then minus, this is the negative, or P. Okay, like this. That is how we are going to move. Now from there, we can substitute, okay, the numbers that we have there. Remember OQ, Q we are given, Q is what? 16.8. Now in this case, we are going to write this one in vector form, okay? We are going to write it in vector form, whereby we say 16, then 8, minus OP we are given, it's there, 4, then 13, okay? Then we subtract. 16 minus 4, the answer is 12. Then 8 minus 13, the answer is negative what? 5. It is negative 5 because we are actually subtracting the bigger number from the small number. So the answer will have a negative sign. Then from there now, we are going to introduce now, we come back now to the original what? Question. No wonder why it is too much. So this is 1 mark. Then you come to the last part of this question. So you are going to say the magnitude here now will be, let me use this other part of the body. So magnitude PQ, remember this is the sign of magnitude. When you see this is magnitude, okay? Equals the root x squared plus y squared, okay? So let us substitute accordingly. So x in this case is what? We have this one. So the one which is on top is x. So 12 squared plus the down one is what? Y squared. 12 squared, the answer is 144. Plus negative 5 squared, the answer is 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. So 13 what? Units. So the magnitude PQ is equals to 13 units. Thank you so very much for your attention and getting the necessary concept. That much I know that you have gotten what you are required of getting. Thank you.